All right, checkpoint 4. So you know the drill. So they want you to write sine of arctangent 1 plus arc cosine x as an algebraic expression. Realize that you may want to practice with other ones because even though the checkpoint is similar to the previous example that we did, practice with other ones, practice with problems in the textbook, because you want to be able to do this sort of thing with all kinds of different expressions you might be given. So always do more practice than don't do the bare minimum. Okay, practice makes improvement. Okay, so again, let's see if we could do this. So go ahead and pause, write this out, work it out, and then come back and see if you get the same answer that I got. All right, here we go. So now we've got arctangent 1 and arc cosine x. So again, these are angles. So I'm going to make this one u, and this is my v. And now I'm going to write out the expression with sine. It's a plus, right? So it's going to be sine of inverse tangent of 1 plus inverse cosine of x is equal to sine of inverse tangent of 1 times cosine of cosine inverse of x, and that's going to be plus cosine of inverse tangent of 1 times sine, or excuse me, oh, wait a minute. Yeah, same thing. Sine of cosine inverse of x. Okay? So again, just pay attention to what I'm saying. It's a little hard to read here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure this out. So now, again, what angle, the tangent of what angle gives me 1? Well, that's going to be pi over 4, a 45-degree angle. So that means I'm going to be dealing with the sine of pi over 4. So sine of pi over 4. And then here I've got inverse relationships here, right? So cosine of inverse cosine. So all I'm going to get is an x out of this. Plus, now I've got cosine of tangent inverse 1. Again, this is going to give me a pi over 4. So it's going to be cosine of pi over 4 times, now, sine of cosine inverse of x. Okay, so this is cosine inverse cosine of x. So again, let's get our right triangle. Okay, cosine, so it's what angle has a cosine of x, right? So it's going to be, in this case here, it's going to be x over 1. So that means this missing side is going to be the square root of 1 minus x squared. Okay? Right? And so the sine of this angle, right, which is in this case v, right? So we've got the relationship of the triangle, and so now sine of this angle v is going to be this divided by 1, so it's just going to be that. So it's going to be 1 minus x squared. Now we just simplify things, right? Sine of pi over 4 is 1 over the square root of 2 times x plus 1 over the square root of 2 times the square root of 1 minus x squared. Now we just simplify things, and this is going to end up being x plus the square root of 1 minus x squared all over the square root of 2. And that's it. Let me know if you got a different answer, or if you have any questions about how we did this. If you did get the wrong answer, look at my work, see where you made your mistake, and then reach out to me if you still have questions. Bye.